You have a nice bunch of banana here. And callaloo.
Well, it's a COVID farm, you know.
It's a COVID farm?
Yeah, man.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah man, I'm on a farm right now with Sir Gregory, you know. Yeah. You have a nice bunch of banana here. Yeah. This guy loves his banana, you know. And callaloo. Yeah. Also sweet pepper, tomato. Yeah man, everything is here on the farm. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nice, lovely farm, man. Nice farm at home, you know what I mean? Tomato. Yeah. Banana, a sweet pepper this? Tall, low tree tall. Yeah, I have a next banana shoot here. Looking lovely, my viewers and subscribers. So yes, Sir Gregory, I can see that you have a nice farm here, man. So how long you have been planting this farm, Sir Gregory?
Well, it's a COVID farm, you know.
It's a COVID farm?
Yeah, man. Last March.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
Last March, my people, look at it.
Reap.
Yeah, start reap already. And we have a next entrance. Soon make you see what's going on that entrance. Yeah, so you fertilized the farm?
Not at all, not at all.
Not at all. Natural?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, natural is a mystic and the mystic is natural.
Yeah.
If you want to go vital, you have to go ital.
Fair enough.
Yes, man, for real, man. Yeah, man, on the farm with Sir Gregory, you know. It's a home farm. Looking very lovely. Alright, my viewers and subscribers are going to show you a next part down the other end. Alright? Yes, my viewers, you don't know, you know, it's all about a farming revolution. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Check this out. Yeah. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. It's all about the choppings. Yes, my viewers, we are here on Gregory's farm. You know what I mean? We have fever grass here. You know, that fever grass tea, you know? Nice tea, you know what I mean? Yeah man, fever grass, alright my people? Yeah man, the farm looking good man, the farm looking good man. Yeah, starting March. And the farm is so tall, sweet pepper, yeah, tomato. Yes, my viewers. Alright, here is the next part of the farm. Whoa, lovely banana tree here. Yeah, and there's a next lovely bunch over here also. Yeah man, Sir Gregory now ramp. Yeah man, a big farmer, you know. This is the Scotch bonnet pepper tree. Yeah. Yeah man, just start to put out pepper, alright? Yeah man, you pick a lot of pepper off that tree.
I get 100 hard tomato off a tree, tomato tree.
I hear that my people, 100 and hard. Yeah, see there?
Different kind of pepper, this is some long pepper, you know.
Okay, yeah, for real man. So what is this plant?
Jerusalem peas.
Jerusalem peas. Alright my viewers, Jerusalem peas. Alright.
Make the rice and peas rich and dark, you know.
Give them that information again.
Yeah man, make the rice and peas rich and dark, you know.
Oh, you mean? Alright, Sir Gregory, for real, man. Alright, you have a lovely bunch of banana over here. Yeah, man, my people, you have to plant. If you don't plant, you don't eat. This one look like it is a planting tree.
Yeah, man, that one's planting tree.
Yeah, man, in the middle here. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know. Just don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know what I mean? Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright? Yeah, we're on the farm with Sir Gregory. You know what I mean? We have pumpkin here. pumpkin start beer yet?
No, not this one, not this one.
Okay. You have one start to beer?
No.
Oh.
Jamaican.
Reap off those already.
Ah, yes, on the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the roof pumpkin, you know what I mean?
Everyone gets one pumpkin.
Yes, man, cause me get one too, you know. Yes, I. It's all about the farming, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, yard farming. Yeah, man, here is sweet pepper, so you don't have to go to the market, you know.
Outstanding, big and broad, Jamaican farmers.
Yeah, catch bonnet pepper right here, my viewers. Yeah, lettuce. Yeah, lot. No. Long sweet pepper. Oh yeah. A sweet pepper?
Yeah, man.
Oh, but that's your hot pepper, you know. Yeah, man, looking good. Looking good. Nice. Root of callaloo there. Yeah. Yeah, man, you have to plant. We have a renter over there. We have a bank of renter.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my viewers, a bank of renter over there. Sir Gregory is not ramping with the farm, you know. Alright.
Man have to eat, you know.
Yeah, man have to eat.
Yeah. Even when you don't go to the supermarket, you have to eat, you know.
Simple. And if you don't eat, you're going to die.
Yes, man.
And if you die of hunger, you're going to hell.
Yes, man.
If you go to hell, Satan is going to give you work, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, for real, my viewers, for real.
Water for drink, you know.
Yeah.
And fire without water.
Alright. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man, on the farm with Gregory, alright? So you don't know, leaving the farm right about now, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you don't, you're not gonna see the next video coming out. Alright my people? So my name is Everton, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright my people, I'm out.
You know,